Arbitrary arguments list. Sometimes a programmer wouldn't know how many arguments a function requires. So the function definition may include the arguments such as in this way asterisk arg or asterisk double asterisk k warg. So asterisk arg for arguments and k warg for arguments along with the key values. Key and that is also called keyword arguments. Let's see first this portion of our program. Here, what this asterisk arg um, does. In the function definition, it can include multiple parameters and that can be collected through asterisk arg. So optional positional parameters into an arbitrary argument list tuple will be accepted through this asterisk arg. So I'm going to call one method with having 4 parameters passed into it. Parameter 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the method definition, rather than mentioning all the 4 parameters, the way I'm doing it here, arg1 goes on for hello. Now asterisk argb argument list, it corresponds to this rest of the arguments present in the method call. So when I try to print the first argument, it prints the first argument in the method call, that is hello. Now, if I want to access all the rest of the 3 arguments, what it does, take a loop in the for loop for each argument in the list argp. Each loop, it will correspond to the rest of the parameters separately. It will run the for loop and try printing it each time through each iteration of the for loop. Same way, asterisk KWARG, that's for keyword argument list. So it can, what it does actually, it adds a final function parameter of asterisk KWARGs, and it creates a dictionary containing extra arguments not defined in the function definition. So it will be in this way, key and what value corresponding it. Like the first argument is high, the key is first and the value is cakes. For mid, 4 is the value. For last key, the value is cakes. So it accepts arguments along with key values. So first happens this function call. Now then the function definition, first trying to print the arg1 and it's printing the first argument in the method call. Now to iterate over the rest of the elements in the function call, we need to write the for loop in this way. So there is a little bit change. We want to have the key value and the value itself associated with the key. So both of them should be in the for loop. And then to access all the elements in the KWARG list, we need to call this method KWARGS dot items. So what it does, it gives us the accessibility to this rest of the 3 values and iterate over all the keys and values, and through this print statement we are able to print the key value as a string and value as a string also. So when I'll try to run the code, it displays like this. The first iteration will print the first keys like this. Then second iteration will print the third argument. Then the third iteration will print the fourth argument like this. So this is all about arbitrary argument lists.